Hello, this is Dr. Jeffrey Hedrick, and I'm sitting in my office at Jacksonville State University getting ready to put together a digital portfolio piece that I plan on posting online. And in this piece, I'm going to go ahead and share with the world a little bit about me from a technological perspective. In this portfolio movie, you're going to find out about my web design in my COM375 internet production. In that class, I typically go ahead and create a Google Sites every semester for the class to have access to and to use as a guide in their coursework as the semester progresses. Reason why I feel it's necessary is because a student is usually not as organized as I would like them to be, and to be a webmaster, you need to be organized. One of the things I stress is that being a webmaster is about the management of files. And in this instance, I go ahead and give them a template to use and show them that most everything that they do throughout the semester is going to contribute to one of two pieces. The first piece that they're going to do is, and I will share you some student work on this, is newspaper. I challenge them to do a newspaper project. Some of them come in from the Chanticleer, and even the editors of Chanticleer, the student newspaper, have to take this class. And they create their own newspaper. I make them give it a name, a title. I make them make a masthead for it using our masthead. You might call it a nameplate. They have to do this using Illustrator. And I also make them use Photoshop to create their own creative design piece that I call, which we call a navigation bar, a nav bar that is in Photoshop that they actually have to make interactive in Dreamweaver later on, where they compile all the little files, all the different little files, and make it work, make it interactive. They create a Dreamweaver template, and they go from there and make them make pages like a news page. They have to make a local page. They have to make a sports page. They have to make a weather page, and they have to make a business page. Now, when they're through with that, to finish off the semester, I make them do a personal site. This is a challenge that they have where I tell them that how important it is to have an online presence and to use all the different tools that are available on the internet. In their personal site, they will have to embed a YouTube video that they have posted themselves and created using iMovie, just like I'm creating this piece using iMovie, as a matter of fact. And I also make them put together what we call a photo album. An interactive photo album, they have to create the thumbnails and then the larger images and make it interactive and make it work. It's about file management, remember. And another thing and probably the most important piece of them that I make them do is I make them create an online resume. The online resume is key to this class and to their success in this digital world. That is enough for the web design aspects of my portfolio. I'm going to go ahead and create a different one for social media and Google Sites and public relations efforts that I do. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day. In finding out a little bit more about me,